is a Corbin's quest sponsored by my dad.
There you go. Grab it. There you go. Keep going.
Listen, they're at my boat with my father's child.
That's me.
She's a police officer.
Your dad just has to work on it.
My dad just has to work on it.
You want to go down below? Find up and windows all put in. You go down. Someday, where we're gonna sail?
Sail.
Where are we gonna go? Should we sail to Hawaii? I'd love to sail to Hawaii.
Can we live there so no zombie apocalypse comes?
Back in.
Corbin, is that your room?
So here's your light switch, okay? When you want lights,
Oh, of course.
click lights on. Be the red lights. And if, let's say you want to read at night, you can have it. There's another one over there. And then here's your bathroom right here. The bilge pump in. There's your bilge pump right there.
Where do you pee?
That toilet that goes right where you're standing.
I don't see the toilet.
Oh, it's sitting out here, buddy. It's out here.
Your grandma Patty died.
All right, buddy. There you go.
There you go. There's your
That's where your toilet's gonna sit. Think you can use that?
Can I try and use it?
No, it's not.
I'd rather not.
There's nothing there.
Yeah, it would just drain right into his boat. Then he'd be mopping it up. That'd be getting gross. It's gonna be soon. We'll have it ready. Ready for a test fire.
Piece of things.
Yeah. Piece of wood. See if it's dry. See if it's done.
Reach it.
Each, just kind of run your finger along there. Touch the wood. Does it feel pretty hard? Excellent. Good. That means it cured up. Good job, buddy.
What does it do?
It just holds water. It's called the bilge. It's the very, 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 very bottom of the boat. It's where all the extra water goes. Like rainwater and any splashes that come over the boat.
What
they
are
can-
we gonna say?
Hopefully next summer, buddy, we'll be out in the water. You know, when you guys were at the beach today, I could sail over there, maybe like a quarter mile off, drop the anchors, and I could bring a little boat, like drive it into shore, pick you guys up, drive it back out. That'd be pretty cool, huh?
We're gonna need a big boat.
Do that. And then you see all those big black boxes right there? Those are batteries. See the cardboard thing that looks like a battery? That's where the batteries go. And then farther back is the motor. You want to go back to the motor bay?
Hi.
What are you scared of?
Crooked triangle.
The Bermuda Triangle?
Dad's got lots of tools. He spends a lot of time fixing the boat up. But I think it looks great.
Okay, thanks, buddy.
One day I'm gonna sail on it with my big brother Lincoln,
Your little brother Lincoln.
my little brother,
Yep.
and my also other big brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, you sure will, buddy. Soon.
Oh, and there's 3 paths.
Okay.
One leads to home.
One.
That one's covered with a bunch of snakes. That one's covered with angry snapping turtles.
Okay. Snakes, snapping turtles, or
The next one is tiger sharks. Will
whoa.
swallow you up in no time.
Yikes.
Which one do you choose?
Be careful.
That's easy. Don't be a bully. Thanks for joining. Subscribe. Be safe sailing. Sailing. Don't get attacked by pirates or sharks. Wear a life vest.
Bye.
Bye.